Hello, friends. Today I shall be talking to you all about the very famous Indian MOOC platform, Swayam, as the name suggests, study of webs of active learning for young aspiring minds. It offers courses ranging into hundreds, and they are those which are taught at school, college, and university level. Swayam was launched by the former president Mr. Pranab Mukherjee to facilitate imparting education to all. The Swayam program offers digital classrooms with the help of internet and satellite connectivity to the remotest corners in the country. The biggest problem of any economy is the problem of inequality of provision of education. Many children do not get the opportunity to go to the schools because of lack of resources. It is also due to lack of sufficient number of schools. As a solution for this, Government of India has come with a great initiative called Swayam. It offers courses ranging into hundreds, and they are those which are taught at school, college and university level. The program will also likely rope in foreign teachers for some courses. Furthermore, it can easily be integrated into one's formal traditional education. The system allows the transfer of credits that a college student earns from a course directly into their academic records. It also provides courses of vocational nature and also for those who want to study while continuing with their jobs. All courses are free in Swayam and the fee is only for issuing of a certificate. Now, let me tell you more about Swayam. Swayam is a program initiated by the Government of India. The purpose is to achieve access. As we can see in the picture as well, there are lakhs of children in our own country who do not have access to schools or books. This can be due to the reasons of their being in very remote areas or even lack of resources. Swayam gives equal opportunity to all to study. Anyone can access the free lectures anytime, anywhere. Equity. Swayam does not make any differentiation between rich or poor, small or big. Any person of any socio-economic background, place, age, gender, etc. can seek knowledge from this platform. Quality of education. The professors providing the lectures are from various reputed universities with rich experience and qualification as from IITs, IIMs, National Law University, IGNOU, etc. Objective is to provide broad categories of courses to be offered to the students. These include students of engineering, management, science, arts and recreation, mathematics, languages, general studies, humanities, library sciences, energy, sustainable development, social science, and many more. The program also provides certification. If a student wants to get certification for course studies, one needs to register for it and the certification process will be carried out after the completion of the course. The certificate will be provided for a nominal fee as per the Swayam website. Let us understand about the target audience. The online courses are made for the students of class 9th till post graduation. These can be accessed by anyone, anywhere, at any time. The program takes digital education and satellite technology to a new paradigm in the country. Students across the country are able to make use of the service. The program is of a massive open online learning format and seeks to provide the best teachers for the students across the country with ICT solutions to bridge the gap between the urban and rural education. The 4 quadrants of Swayam are video lectures, exclusive reading material that can be downloaded or printed, self-assessment test through tests and quizzes, online discussion forum for clearing the doubts. The national coordinators for SWAYAM are AICTE, NPTEL, UGC, CEC, NCRT, NIOS, IGNOU, IIMB, and NITTTR. I am really sure that you liked the presentation and you would surely enroll for the program of your choice. So, best wishes to all of you. Oh, yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Very soon, I shall be coming with more information about various courses and certification and much more information about SWAYAM. I shall also tell you in the next episode on how to register for the certifications. So subscribe to the channel and wait for my next video. Thank you.